Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project in Basecamp step by step. Creating a project is one of the first things you'll do in Basecamp because it gives your team a dedicated space to organize tasks, share files, communicate, and track progress. So let's get started. First, sign into your Basecamp account and open your dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, look for the New Project, Create Project, or Add Project button, depending on your Basecamp version. Next, click the button and enter a name for your project. Choose a clear and descriptive project name so team members can easily identify it later. You may also have the option to add a project description or select a project template if one is available. After entering the project details, click Create Project to continue. Basecamp will generate a new workspace containing tools such as to-dos, message board, schedule, docs and files, and campfire chat, giving you everything you need to manage the project. Now customize the project by inviting team members, assigning responsibilities, and setting up your initial tasks. You can create to-do lists, upload project files, post announcements, and schedule important deadlines directly inside the project workspace. Before finishing, take a moment to review the available tools and organize the project structure in a way that matches your team's workflow. A well-organized project makes collaboration much easier as the work progresses. And that's it. You now know how to create a project in Basecamp and set up a collaborative workspace for your team. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next